everyone. So we are at Metal Forming Expo 2024 happening here in Bombay Exhibition Centre. The second edition, the MAX Photonics has been put at their stall here as well for the next edition. I'm with Mr. Sunil Kamath from MAX Photonics. So please share your experience of being at Metal Forming show since frequently since last 1 year, and how's been the show for you?
Last year we did the first edition at Pune, and we got fairly an extraordinary response, and a lot of inquiries has been floated to us, and we got huge orders from that. So we thought we should participate in Bombay for the second edition, of course, and even we are looking for next edition in Chennai, it seems, right? So because in Metal Expo we are getting actually right kind of a customers who are looking for a product like us, and since laser market is expanding like anything, we are also coming up with the many good applications on the lasers, like laser welding, laser cladding, 3D printing and all this stuff. So we are expecting good customers in this kind of expo, and this is converting a lot of orders for us.
And talking about the technologies you have on demonstration, so what would you like to elaborate on that? Like what all you have?
Right now we have not we are only displaying this time because the stall size is less. So we are not talking we are not taking anything on the live demo this time. But many of our sources are attached to many of our customers in this expo itself, because many of our customers are actually a machine manufacturer. So we are giving our sources to them for making the machines. We are not we are only displaying this time only the 3D, this 3-in-1 welding, 3-in-1 marking, which is a special application, and also some single module Elite version laser sources which are for the cutting application.
And lastly, talking about the metal forming very specifically, because the show is all about that. What do you see that where are we heading, and where we are able to see the growth of this metal forming industry specifically in the coming years?
Already seen a lot of growth in the metal forming since last 2 years after the COVID basically, and right now for next 5 years the projection is very high, and we look forward for approximately 25% plus CAGR growth on the metal forming components or a machinery. So we expect a lot of buzz in the market, and we are expecting a lot of customers even to come today and tomorrow. So I hope everybody can come visit and take the advantage of this situation and understand the application more better with a lot of live demonstration with the MAX Photonics sources attached to the machine.
Thank you so much for this insight. Thanks a lot.